How to record an audio voiceover on Canva. Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how you can quickly add in a voiceover onto your Canva video. So first things first, you're going to head over to the home section and you're going to look out for certain video templates. You can see I've typed out video, and you're going to start off by actually having some sort of template or just creating a blank video. I have this 15 seconds video already made up. You can see the video plays out this way. I can simply search up for more stuff or elements to add into my video. Now let's click on to more elements or designs that I want to add in. Let me just add this as well, and let's just apply this to all 5 pages that we have. So here, this is how our video looks like. It runs about 46 seconds long. Now the part where we have to add in our voiceover is for us to simply click on share. Right here onto the top right hand side, you're going to click on share. And once you click on share, you're going to head over to the more section. Onto the more section, you're going to click on present and record. And once you click on present and record, basically heads over to the recording studio. And right here, it asks you to set up your camera and microphone and start off by starting recording. Now you can simply choose to click on start recording to start recording, and then you can just simply add in your voiceover alongside your video that's being played on Canva. So guys, this is one simple, easy way to add in voiceovers onto your Canva video.